I'm Brad McKinnon. This is my 1948 Chevy Carryall. I purchased it out of an estate sale project that got started in January of this year. So a 10-month build to get it here to the SEMA show. It's got a supercharged Chevy 5.3 liter, full custom chassis from Rideman Ranch, brakes from CPP, and brake lines from BrakeQuip. I chose to call BrakeQuip for my brake lines specifically on this to softline the whole vehicle, so that I didn't have to worry about making brake lines and flares and having leaks or having hard lines that didn't look right. The soft lines and the brake lines that showed up were perfectly labeled, so I knew where they went. Helpers in the shop knew where they went. They fit perfectly. It was a real do-it-yourself way to have brake lines that were trouble-free.